No.
We can't? Annie, can you tell me about your treasure?
First we put some leaves in there, then we put those in there. That's how we made that.
Yeah? And what
Yeah.
about seeds? Did you put seeds in?
Yeah.
And who were the seeds for?
The seeds for the birds and then birds to live in there and birds in.
Oh.
And fireflies and can put
Yeah.
like bees in there or fireflies in there. You can't put bees because bees sting you.
Yeah, I don't think we want to put bees in there, right?
Okay, I got it. Bees sting you like this. That hurt? Yeah. Bees sting you like that. Maybe.
And Annie, what's your favorite part of hiking so far? That doesn't answer my question. What's your favorite part of hiking?
Potty.
Going to the potty? Yeah, you like that potty? What, did you like falling down? No.
Yeah.
That was bad. Did you like having a snack?
Don't say that. That makes you sad again.
Oh.
Don't say that.
Annie, did you like chewing gum? Yeah.
I knew that was gonna happen.
All right, let's see what Allie's favorite is. Allie, what's your favorite part of hiking so far?
Finding treasures.
Oh, that is fun. All right, wave goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
All right, Annie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, camera, Mr. Goat.